Question set 9. To facilitate the business of Max Mobile, the owner of the mobile phone company uses a computer software which uses the following table to store the data in that computer software. Answer the questions asked in this table. So you can see they have given this customer table and product table. And the first question is, create a database named mshop to save data in mobile phone shop. So now I'm going to create the database. Now I'm going to create the database. File, new module, and you can add diagram. So here I'm going to name the database as mshop. I have done my first question, and now I'm going to the second question. Create a table as customer and product in the database. Follow the instructions below. And the column names are customer ID. It is the primary key of this table. And first name, last name, gender, contact number. For the customer table, they have given the data type as vacha for all the columns, and the length is different, you can see here. And product table, product ID is the primary key, brand name, model number, price. Data type is vacha, and for the price they give the data type as double. They have given the data type as double and length is different. So let's start to do this. I have already created the database named mshop, and now I'm going to add the tables. And I name this table as customer. Going to add the primary key of this table, customer ID, and the data type is vacha. Now I'm going to add the second column, first name of the customer, I set the data type as vacha and the character length as 45, and the last name of the customer is the third column, and the data type and the character length is same like before. The gender, I set the data type as vacha and the character length as 10. The last one is contact number. For this column I set the data type as 10 because Sri Lankan phone number contains 10 digits, and I set data type as vacha. And let me explain the speciality about the data type vacha. In this data type you can enter special characters, numbers, letters, So that's why I set the data type as Vacha. And customer ID is the primary key of this table. So I have created this table, customer, and now I'm going to create the product table. First I'm going to name the table as product, then product ID, product ID is the primary key of this table, and next one is brand name. For that I set data type Vacha and the character length as 45. The next one is model number. For this I set data type as Vacha and the character length as 45. For price I set data type as double. Now I have created the product table. So let's see the next question. The third one is add data graphically to the tables you have created. So they have given to add data graphically, so because of that I don't use queries, and these are the records I have to add for the customer table and product table. Now I'm going to forward engineer this database, forward engineer. Forward engineer finished successfully. So now I can and now I'm going to refresh this. You can see the database mshop, and I'm going to insert the records. Now I have entered all the records they have given, and the next table is product. I have entered the 10 records they have given, and we can move to the next question. I have done the previous questions successfully, and I have 3 more to do. The fourth one is find a mobile phone whose brand is Huawei, priced less than 40,000. So for this, I'm going to create a query. Select or from product table where brand name equal Huawei and price less than 40,000. This is the query for the fourth question, and I'm going to execute this. So this is the output I got from this query, and you can see here this is the only Huawei phone that the price is less than 40,000. And I'm going to move to next question. Look for customers whose gender is female, and that select all from customer table where gender equal female. I'm going to execute this. So there are 2 females in this customer table. Kalpana and Kalani, and I got this output. And the last question is find the details of the product whose brand is in Vivo. So for this, select from product brand name equal Vivo. So there are only 3 products available for this brand name, and you can see product 3, product 4 and the product 8. So I have done all the questions.